Hi there. Do you have like sore knee pain that is really bothering you, either from joint pain, arthritic pain? Yeah. There may be some weight challenges, make it heavy on the knees and then therefore to the feet and the low back. If so, let's do some 12 Treasures Qigong with me. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong. I'm a Silicon Valley licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and Qigong teacher, and I'd like to help you a little bit to work through the pain. We've been doing 12 Treasures Qigong since the beginning of the month, and so today's actually the segment where I'm going to be doing it standing, but let's kind of start out first from the seated, and I'll show you what to do in order to get to the standing part, okay? So the soreness, tightness in the knee, yeah. As I said, sometimes there's certain weight issues, sometimes you've been inactive and arthritic for a while. Yeah, so you can start with doing some simple self massage, self care, and also circular flow can be really, really good to get it moving. Okay, and then I always like to start out with the padding. Yeah, and if you're less mobile for that day and you're in the chair, be in a chair with no back or your back away from the back of the chair so that your spine can move, right? And whenever it's a certain area of the body that's simply tight, oftentimes it's the low back that's not moving tight. Okay, so I'm starting out in a chair today so that we can ease into the standing. Okay. Today is day 12, I believe, of the 28-day challenge. Good. Okay, and then we do the tracing here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Nice. And then relax again. 1, 2, 3. Let's shift. Relax the low back. As I said, the low back not moving, yeah? Causing stiffness, tightness in the front, the knees. So try to ease yourself, change the shape of the spine, round ball to the to the arc, yeah. C to S curve, and then inhale, exhale. Good. And then let's just do a little bit reverse roll. Nice. Good. And 3, 2, 1. And then we do the other rowboat. Good. Nice. And so again, notice that my back and spine were changing shape. Changing shape. And because you're in a chair, yeah, the weight, of course, is off the knee. But later on, I'll show you standing what we can do. Okay, so pretty much no less weight away from the knee. Okay, and then we can shift over to the dog paddle here. Inhale, exhale. I really like this one for the knee pain because it's not just the knee. You let the heel come on up and your weight's on the other side. So this one, the right side, relieve the pressure. Yeah, and also you're engaging your upper body, torso, your palm, your fingers, center to periphery. Let the Qigong. Nice. Pinky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Very nice. And 3, 2, 1. Other way. Inhale. 2, 3. Good. Now we do the reverse on the right side, scooping it up. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. So this is so good. Activating each individual fingers. Okay, so that the tightness in the knee, tightness in the elbow, these two related. Okay, you let the energy shift from center to periphery. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. And let's do the same for the other side. This is sort of a exercise. Yeah, good. And 3, 2, 1. So let's go back to standing now. Okay, you want to have your weight away from the knees, but more toward the back, the heel of the body. Okay, and so then when you're doing a reverse rowboat, yeah, not everything the front, the back. Yeah, when you're scooping up, yes, all the way on the other side, you lift up the heel. So again, no weight on that knee. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah, and as I said, individuating each finger. You can also think of each toe, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also like the hands, fingers, coming 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're activating each individual. Yeah, good. And doing the other side, scoping up. In. Beautiful. Good. Beautiful. Yes. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Pull the chi down. Front to the back of the body. Breathe. Down. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. If you like that, please like, subscribe, comment. Hashtag 12TQG. Share and save it too if you wish. And I'll see you all in the next video. Love to all the world there. Bye now. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you the next time.